Wouldn't it be great if you knew exactly what questions a hiring manager would be asking you in your next job interview? Yes, let's discuss some interview preparation tips. Preparation and practice. Preparing for an interview primarily means taking time to thoroughly consider goals and qualification related to the position and employer. So, to accomplish all these goals, first of all, before the interview, do a basic research about the company. So, next question is what to research about a company before an interview? Yes, first of all, visit the company's website to know more about the company products, company services, vision statement, mission statement, company history, company culture, etc. Second thing, browse social media. We all are in a modern era where we use social media platforms. We have professional sites too like LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, Glassdoor, etc. Make use of all these professional sites to know more about the company culture, employee reviews, employee past experience, company history, and also about the interview preparation, interview previous year interview questions, etc. And also get an interview edge to practice all your questions, to record your questions, to revise your answers, and finally to review your performance before an interview. And fourth thing, definitely do a competitor research to know about the competitors, who are the competitors, what are the competitor products, and what competition is actually going to happen in the market. And finally, collect all information about the company like knowledge about the CEO, location, products, year of formation, history of the company, etc. Yes. So next we are going to discuss the common interview questions. So what are the common interview questions for an interview? Yes. The first question that comes to our mind is tell me about yourself. So let's discuss each of the common interview questions. Tell me about yourself. How do you came to know about this position? Why should I hire you? What are the greatest strengths and weakness? Why do you want to work with this company? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? What is your short term and long term goal? And do you have work experience? So let's discuss each of these questions in detail. First of all, tell me about yourself. So, what are the contents to be included in? Tell me about yourself. First of all, your name. You can tell like my name is, or you can use I am. Your educational background. Definitely your recent educational background should come first. Your most significant work experience. Your hobbies with more emphasis on your passion, and you can quote that with examples. Things in life or career that matters the most to you. That is some value or some ethics that you hold most important in your life. And why are you interviewing for the company? You can select a reason why you choose this company, like what attract you to this company to join this company. So you can quote a reason for that. And finally, think of a one-liner to end up about yourself. That is, you can probably you can quote with your motto of your life, or you can choose a career objective to end up your introduction. And the next question is, how do you came to know about this position? Actually, this question is asked by the hiring managers to assess both your motivation for the role fit and any internal connection you have with the company. Like, for example, some people may have a friend or a relative working with the company. So, in such situations, if you were referred internally, whether through a formal employee referral program or informally, this would be the time to make that connection. But there will be a backdoor, provided there will be a backdoor reference check on you with the referral. So make sure that that person is informed about this like a backdoor reference check. And if your connection is through your personal effort, talk with the employer that what attracts you to the company. So this is how you could explain how do you came to know about this position. And let's discuss the next question. that is your work experience. So, how can you answer for the question about your work experience? You can start with defining more about your present company that you're working or the latest company that you were if unemployed. And you can also correlate with the job description and provide a detailed explanation of what you have worked fully and what you have worked partially. And also ask them about the details of the jobs, and you can try to gather some parallel examples from your work experience. And finally, never start with your very first company experience if you have already quit 3 or more companies. And start with the latest experience first. And the next question that we are going to discuss is, why should I hire you? In this question, first of all, demonstrate that you know the company's key objective and explain how can the company's objectives align with your personal goal or career interest. And you can also discuss your understanding of the role, how your past experience will help you to succeed the role, and how the role's objectives align with what you would like to do next in your career. So, finally, you can conclude with your understanding of the company culture and how that environment will help you to thrive in. And finally, always keep in mind that this question is not meant to throw you off, but to check that you will be invested in the role and the company for a long time, and therefore you will be a productive employee for long. So that is the reason why they ask the question, why should I hire you? And your next question is, what is your greatest strength? So in this, make a list of skills and divide them into 3 categories for ease. And the first is knowledge-based skills. Actually, these are the skills which are acquired from our education and experience. Like we may have computer skills, we may have language proficiency, and we may have extra degree certificates, training, and technical ability. And transferable skills are those skills which are portable skills and you take from job to job, like communication and people skills, analytical problem solving skills, etc. And the next is personal traits, that is our unique qualities. That is, we are hardworking, I am flexible, I am very friendly. That are all the personal traits. And let us go to the next question. So, our next question is, why do you want to work with this company? So, normally in every interview, the interviewer asks this question, why do you want to work with this company? So, first of all, try to acknowledge the company's uniqueness. Tell him about the general reputation of the company, reputation of key leaders, and admiration of some product or service, admiration of other company initiatives like marketing campaign, community involvement, training programs, etc. And also you can talk about the company culture and company values. And this is what you can explain for why do you want to work with this company. And we have next question, that is the final question, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, or what is your short term or long term goal? First of all, for this question, make sure your answers relate. That is, your short term goal relate with the long term goal. Also incorporate the company's mission statement, and you can align your answers with your connection with your experience, and also emphasize your desire to find a long-term employment in the company. And so these are all the questions that appear for the interview, common interview questions. And the next most important thing is to create an updated CV. So for an interview, definitely we should have a updated CV in hand. So what are the things to be included in that updated CV? So let's discuss. Contact information, academic history, professional experience, qualification and skills. If you had any award and if you had received any honors, that also you can include in your CV. If you had any publications and presentations, that you can include in your CV. if you have any license, and if you have further certifications, if you have any, that also you can include in your CV. And the final thing, how to dress for your job interview. Everything is important, so dressing is the most important thing that interviewers look for. So if you're going for a job interview that is in a company which is a traditional industry like finance, banking or insurance, you can offer more formal corporate attire. But if you are in some general like other companies, you can use a suit and tie for men, and for and also a pantsuit or skirt and blouse for women. Women can preferably choose chudidar, or they can preferably choose shirt and jeans, or they can choose that attire. And what are we going to discuss next? The points to remember. What are the points to remember when you go for an interview? Actually, we have discussed all the points. So, what are the notes to be kept in mind when going for an interview? Keep a small paper with written notes, remembering all these questions, remember the points that you should do there. So, have a small sticky note in your hand that involves all these things. Keep a copy of your updated CV. Be punctual for the interview. Don't rush into the interview hall, so be punctual for the interview, and also carry a copy of your certificates and ID proof. If even in the mail, like interview mail, if it's not written, we should carry a copy of your certificate and ID proof. And definitely dress properly and maintain professionalism throughout the interview. And these are the things to remember. And finally, a question for you. Tell me something about yourself which is not included in the CV. So, we discussed a huge number of things. So, I have a question for you. Normally, the interviewer used to ask a question. Tell me something about yourself that is not included in the CV. So, what will be your reply? So, we can see in the next video. I will explain to you in the next video these same questions. And so, see you in the next video. It's School for signing off. Learn, share knowledge and have fun. Enjoy the day.